friends, and welcome to week 6 of our kindergarten readiness videos. I'm Miss Bree, and let's get started. Let's start by reviewing all the letters we've learned so far. Can you say the letter and the sound with me? A says A and A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E and E. F says F. G says G. H says H. I says I and I. J says J. K says K. L says L. M says M. N says N. O says O and A. And P says P. Good job, guys. Now let's learn our new letters for this week. This week, we're going to learn about letters Q, R, and S. Starting with letter Q. To make a Q, we do a big circle like an O, but then we add just a little line here at the bottom. Q says Qu. Let's say that one 3 times. Q says Qu. Q says Qu. Q says Qu. Some things that start with Q are question or quell or quilt. Our next letter is R. To make an R, we start at the top and go all the way down to the bottom, just a straight line. Then we go back to the top and do one bump to the middle and then a line back to the ground. R says Let's say that 3 times. R says R says R says Some things that start with R are rainbow, or race car, or roller coaster. Our last letter today is letter S. To make a letter S, we start at the top and we do a squiggle all the way down to the bottom. S says S. Let's say that one 3 times too. S says S. S says S. S says S. Some things that start with S are snowman, or snail, or snake. Now let's go through all of our letters one more time. A says A and A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E and E. F says F. G says G. H says H. I says I and I. J says J. K says K. L says L. M says M. N says N. O says O and A. P says P. Q says Q. R says S says S. Remember to practice your letters at home because this is one of the most important things we learn in kindergarten. So keep practicing. We've already talked about all of our numbers 1 through 10, but now we're going to go over them again. Today we're going to review number 1 and number 2, but this time it's a little different. This time I want you to write them with me. So really fast, grab a piece of paper and a pencil and let's write together. Now that you have your paper and your pencil, we're going to write our numbers. I'm going to use a marker so that you guys can see it better. Your paper can have lines or just be plain white, whatever you have. Let's start with number 1. Remember, to make a number 1, we start at the top and go straight down. Let's do that 3 times. So start at the top and go straight down. Start at the top, go straight down. Start at the top, go straight down. Now let's do number 2. To make a number 2, we go halfway around and then straight out. Let's do that one 3 times. Halfway around and then straight out. Halfway around and then straight out. Halfway around and then straight out. Good job. Earlier, we practiced our beginning sounds. Now we're going to start practicing our ending sounds. So now when I show you a picture, you're going to tell me the last sound that you hear. So if I show you a picture of a dog, what's the last sound you hear in dog? G, g. Good job. What about lamp? Lamp. P, p. Ball. Ball. L. Sun. Sun. Star. Star. Tent. T, ent. T, t. Good job. The last couple of weeks we've talked about our calendar. We talked about our months and our days of the week. Let's review both of those things. Let's start with singing our month song. Ready? There's January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months of the year. Good job! Now let's sing our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Good job. Remember to keep practicing those both at home. And now we're going to learn one more thing for our calendar, and that is our seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Today, we're going to be talking about spring. We're going to read a book to teach us a little bit more about springtime. The book we're reading today is called Sunshine Brightens Springtime. Sunshine spreads across the lake. Sunshine warms us when we wake. Sunshine finds a bunny's home. Sunshine heats an ice cream cone. Sunshine melts away the snow. Sunshine helps the garden grow. Sunshine makes a shadow flower. Sunshine shadows grow each hour. Sunshine beams through rows of trees. Sunshine sparkles on the leaves. Sunshine glimmers on the grain. Sunshine gleams upon the pane. Sunshine hides behind the clouds. Sunshine brightens up the crowd. Sunshine follows April showers. Sunshine dries the rain-soaked flowers. Sunshine warms each afternoon. Sunshine glows upon the moon. Sunshine brings new life each spring. Sunshine shines on everything. So in the springtime, it starts to get warmer and the sun starts shining more. It also rains a lot, and that's so our plants can start to grow. Great job today, guys. Remember to keep practicing your letter sounds and your numbers, and we'll see you next time.